It's one of the most historic pieces of cloth in the world, the Bayeux Tapestry, telling the story of key events in Anglo-French history during the 11th century. And on every Viking ocean ship, these panels are up and down the stairwells. Now, what did they have to do with Viking history? We found out.
What kind of ship is this?
Viking ship.
A long ship, a Viking ship.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh.
We did a walking tour with Viking historian Dr. Kathy Stearne from the Imperial College of London.
So you have the Vikings trying to sail, you have the dragon head, you've got someone here at the hull trying to keep time so that they can row as well as sail.
The tapestry depicts the power struggle between Edward the Confessor of England and Harold II.
They didn't record it, they didn't televise it, so it's open to interpretation what's going on.
In this panel, we learn about Harold's journey to meet William the Duke of Normandy.
And Harold says, I'm an envoy from the King of England to Duke Norman.
Subsequently, Harold and William fight on several campaigns together.
You can see here, these are William's men. They're throwing their spears this way.
Upon returning to England, Harold conveys his fears of William's impending invasion to an ailing King Edward.
Harold probably struck in there and said, look, we're going to probably be this guy William, because he's high on the throne of England. He's well organised, he's got well-trained knights, he's good at logistics. I joined him on a couple of raids to win castles, and they did. He's a bloodthirsty guy. We need to make a plan.
King Edward dies in January 1066, and Harold immediately takes over the English crown. William, Duke of Normandy, set sail for England to seize the crown from Harold, and again, we see the significance of Viking ships.
But there's a difference here to other Viking boats, because look, there's the cross. William has God on his side. Harold is an oathbreaker. He's not fit to be King of England. God is on our side.
In this scene, we see Harold's death in the Battle of Hastings.
It says here in Latin, Harold the King dies. But it's more likely that this is Harold. Harold would probably have been on horseback.
What's really interesting is that this famous artifact is not really a tapestry. All the scenes are embroidered.
But look at this, isn't this a marvellous panel? And you can see the Bayeux stitch here. So the Bayeux stitch, the underlying stitch goes across there. We have a top going running around down here, and then there's little stab stitches holding it in place.
Our historian, Dr. Kathy Stearne, shows us how it was made by English seamstresses.
Little animals out of the border.
Oh, yes, I watched your lecture. Yeah, nice.
So the little animals out of the border, and this is actually on cotton. But the Bayeux stitch is a very quick and easy stitch to do.
Oh.
You can see it better on this one. So you put a stitch right across here, and if you think about it, on a large area that would pull. So then they put a threaded top across the top, and they stab it down.
The Bayeux Tapestry, just another fascinating educational experience on our Viking journey.